When a customer calls in and asks us how fast we're going to start a job, they're most often asking about a roofing job. That's the majority of our business. But in a long story short, on shingle roofing, from the time that we sign a contract with people, we're usually out to their property within 2 weeks to put the roof on. And most shingle jobs are 1 or 2 day jobs. With metal roofing, when we order it, it's usually a 2-week turnaround, sometimes a 1-week turnaround. Once somebody signs a contract with us on a metal roof, it's usually 2 to 3 weeks to get started on it. When somebody signs a contract with us on a slate roof or a tile roof, sometimes they're readily available. Sometimes it could be a month or 2 months to get that kind of material in. And with flat roofing, usually within 2 weeks to 30 days of us signing a contract with somebody on any form of a flat roof, usually we have that material at the location and ready to get started.